Are you curious about the bustling world of e-commerce and wonder what it might be like to dive into this thriving industry as an e-commerce specialist? Well, let's break it down. I'm here to walk you through what an e-commerce specialist does, which industries they're transforming, and just how much they can earn. So, buckle up and let's get into it. An e-commerce specialist is, in essence, the backbone of any online retail operation. They handle everything from managing online inventories and optimizing product listings to analyzing sales data and running digital marketing campaigns. Their goal? To boost online sales and enhance the shopping experience. Now, you might find e-commerce specialists in a variety of industries, from fashion and electronics to groceries and beyond. Any sector that sells online needs these savvy professionals to stay competitive. And let me tell you, in today's digital age, that's pretty much every sector you can think of. But here's the real kicker: their impact on the professional world. E-commerce specialists help businesses transition from traditional brick-and-mortar stores to dynamic online platforms. This shift not only expands the business's reach, but also drives innovation across the market, influencing how we all shop today. Now, on to the burning question: how much do they earn? Salaries for e-commerce specialists can vary widely depending on experience, location, and the size of the company. On average, in the US, they earn between $40,000 to $70,000 annually. However, those with extensive experience and in major markets like New York or San Francisco can see that rise to $90,000 or more. So, if you're someone with a knack for digital trends, marketing, and analytics, and you're looking for a career that's at the forefront of consumer behavior and technological advancements, becoming an e-commerce specialist might just be your calling. And who knows? With the right skills and a bit of hustle, you could be the next big innovator in the e-commerce world. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more insights into different career paths. Catch you in the next video.